Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So I was wondering why the last SEC filing I went through, how come it didn't have like the triple Q inverse ETF, and I think I figured out why. And then the question is like, when are these YieldMax inverse ETFs coming? So I'm guessing it should be soon. There was a filing on March 5th. Of course, it's not a guarantee, but it says here that it's immediately upon filing pursuant to paragraph bleep blah blah blah. They want to get this YieldMax N100 inverse option income strategy ETF out. So the ticker symbol is YQQQ, and this actually kind of funny because then it's almost like the mirror of triple QY. So this could be a good hedge for triple Q in case triple QY if you happen to own that Defiance ETF. So I'm kind of looking at this and hoping that it might be helpful for those that do have it. And the fees are 99 basis points, so nothing too surprising there. And it's managed by the same folks as the other inverse ETFs. So again, I guess no big surprise here. But I was kind of wondering why the ticker symbol was YQQQ and instead of like DQQQ or something like that, or QQD. And now when I look back through some other SEC filings, apparently Direccion beat them to it. So they filed this on the same day that they filed like the other inverse ETFs. And I'm guessing Defiance and Zago are probably like, oh man, we can't get triple QD. So I guess like they went with the next best possible thing, which is Y triple Q, uh, which doesn't sound like an inverse ETF, but you know, I guess it kind of works. Y triple Q is kind of like the flip of triple QY, so I guess that works too. But anyway, I'm hoping in like all these new ETFs, like it won't cause too much of a headache for like these fund managers. Like just keeping track of all this stuff is also a lot of work. So you know, hopefully I hope they find a way to kind of manage all this stuff without sacrificing performance. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. All subscriptions are welcome, old and new. Hope everyone is doing well out there. I know like there might be like some bumpy times ahead, but I think we should still be in it for a good year. Reading SEC documents is hard work, so any help is greatly appreciated. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.